Hello everyone, welcome back to BunnyHum. I'm Manojna and I hope you all enjoyed my previous videos. And this video is a very interesting, exciting one. It's an unboxing video, yay! So today we're gonna unbox the Veikk A15 pen tablet. So yeah, if you watch my previous videos, you know that I really like art and keep improving new skills in it. And so this tablet particular is a very new to more like digital art. So nowadays digital art has been growing, and for a beginner or intermediate, you can keep improving in new digital arts. They're gonna increase your skills, and this tablet which I came across has been very helpful for many people. So I'm excited to open it and see what I can learn. So yeah, so the front of the box, we have a nice design of the tablet and the pen. And here you have the basic specifications, the model, dimensions, and the pressure sensitivity. So yeah, let's get started and let's open it. I'm excited to see what's inside. So yeah, let's open it. It is also great for any parent to give this as a present to their kids. And I really want to thank my dad for this wonderful gift. And please do support me by subscribing to BunnyHum and liking this video and turning on the post notifications. And in order to support my own channel, BunnyHum, I joined TubeBuddy partnership program. TubeBuddy helps YouTube video SEO optimizations, and it helps to reach a wider audience by installing the link in my description. It is a Chrome extension plugin. So let's quickly open everything in the package, and I'll just arrange this in order and explain everything in detail of its purpose. So we have everything open here. Firstly, we have the artistic gloves. So we just use this when we are using the tablet so it doesn't sense the hand. Nextly, we have the driver's download for installing it and the quick start guide. And nextly, we have the refilling pen tips, so we can just refill it after the old one wears out. And we have the cable to connect the tablet to your device. Next, we have the pen. So we have a very nice pen here. It looks just like a real one. And we have two buttons to customize it. I'll just customize it later. And it has good tips too. And last but not least, we have the tablet. Let's just open it. So this is the official tablet. It's very nice. So we're gonna look in detail of this, but before we go ahead, let me just download the drivers download quick in my laptop. I'll just be back. So I've installed the driver on my computer, so now we'll look at the tablet here. So we have the cool design, and this ring comes in 4 different colors. We have red, gold, blue, and gray. And here are 3 LED lights for like one for power, pen, and keys. So these are the keys you can customize. So we have 6 this side and 6 this side, so total 12 keys to customize. You can customize it with whatever you like, any shortcuts, and it's very lightweight product, so you can easily carry it. So here we have, like, I've connected it to my computer so you can see the power light lighting up. So first we'll customize the pen and the keys. So to start with the pen, we have for the top button, we have left click, and for the bottom one, right click. So for these 2 buttons, and on the right here, you can see current pen pressure, so you can see how much pressure you're like applying. So you can see it's max because I'm applying a lot of pressure here, and if I take it out it says 0, so you can check that. The next one is mapping, and now we have the function for the keys on the tablet. So for like first one, we can put maybe zoom in and zoom out, and for the third one, you can put pen erase, and for fourth we have undo. So I've just put first 4, so I'll customize the next ones later. So we have the customization done. So first we will just do a quick test on the Adobe Sketchbook I use. So yeah, we use pen here, and so you can see we have here, and we can choose colors, and I have lines. So yeah, it's pretty sensitive. So we just check with different shapes here. We have maybe circle or rectangle, a circle. So let's see if we can like change the color. Okay, blue. Take another rectangle. Okay, yeah, it's pretty good. It's sensing. Next we have the line. So yeah, pretty good. So this is gonna take a little getting used to all the pressure, and so before you can even use the gloves here for like it to not sense the hand. So yeah, we have here the artist gloves. They have included this in the package. It's pretty good. We have the just for the resting here, so you have the holding like that, so you can just press this on the tablet. So yeah, this you can just do quick lines, and you can easily change whatever shape you like. So yeah, this overall is pretty good. So I'm just gonna practice a little because I'm new to this, and I'll probably be back with another video on maybe like a full drawing, a full masterpiece. So yeah, I'll just practice these few days and be back soon. And so I'll see you all in my next video. Peace.